Here we have a handball appeal here. And then the referee was Lukolo Badi. Let's have a look. We see that Mahopa had the ball that goes and deflect on Nkwe. There's the referee Lukolo Badi indicating penalty there. Right, the Polokwane City players are not happy because the ball come from somewhere. So we're going to show you where it come from. Here's Lukolo Badi consulting with his assistant, and then Romario there, and then he's dropping the ball. He's saying, drop ball, there's no offense committed. Let's go and have a look. The ball is headed by Mahopa. It starts from the body there, and then from the body, it goes to the hand. So if the ball starts from your body to the hand, there's no handball offense committed because, as you can see, that there's no deliberate handball. The player tried to jump, now it goes to the hand. So correct decision by Lukolo Badi not to award a penalty or after he has consulted with Romario. Let's go to Nuno Santos. Nuno scored a goal, and here we want to educate you. When do we judge offside? We judge offside at the moment the ball is played, not at the moment the player receives the ball. As the moment Nuno Santos take a shot there, you can see the assistant referee does not flag. It means he's not sure as to what's happening there. Nuno Santos go and celebrate. We see Reiners in an offside position. You say they come back and say offside, but was there offside? Let's go and show you that there was no offside at all. We stop it there. You can see Reiners is in an onside position. So this is where we judge offside. But when he receives the ball, it looks like he's in an offside position. So we don't judge offside at the moment Reiners receive the ball. If you can look there. So Reiners received the ball. So there's no offside because at the moment the ball was played, he was not offside. So incorrect decision by assistant referee Romeo Matibiti and Sia to give offside. 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 Let's go to the next one. We're going to, if you give me one, let's go to Ofori. We're going to Durban now and the Nedbank Cup. Some say Ofori should have received a red card. We're going to the consideration for Doxo. Denying an obvious goal-scoring opportunity. Now, one is distance to goal and direction of play, and then number and location of defenders. You see Lukolo Badi giving a yellow card. Right, let's see. We're going to show you there. Let's stop it there. If it decides Chauke has the ball, who is likely to get the ball in terms of control of the ball? So control of the ball, there's no one from Kasrik who will receive the ball. You will merely be guessing. So when one is in doubt, you downgrade to yellow. Two, we go to location of defenders. The first defender is Amazulu defender. The Kasrik attacker is behind. Why? Because if he's in front, he's offside. So now, control of the ball. Who has control? No one has control of the ball. So there's doubt. So we can't give a red card for Doxo, even though he handled it outside the penalty area, because two considerations are in doubt, which is control of the ball and number and location of defenders. So correct decision by Lukolo Badi to give a yellow card to Ofori.
What's wrong, Andile? You're in doubt.
You are in doubt.